Transferring from Metamask to Bybit is pretty easy thing to do today. We will talk about how you guys can transfer from Metamask to Bybit. The process is pretty simple. First things first, we will get the recipient address from Bybit. For that, you just have to be at your Google, search for Bybit, and then go to Bybit's website, which should be bybit.com. And the bybit.com, log into your account. After logging into your account, this is what you will see. Here you simply have to click on this deposit. Now, after clicking on this deposit, you just have to select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit or you want to transfer from MetaMask. Suppose you want to transfer Ethereum, select Ethereum, and they will give you your wallet address right here. Now, after getting the wallet address, you will be able to copy it. You simply have to go to MetaMask. Now, this is how MetaMask will look like. In the MetaMask, just click on this send. Now, after clicking on this send, you just have to select from which account you want to transfer, and two, you just have to enter the address that you just copied from Bybit. Afterwards, they will want you to transfer the cryptocurrency amount and all the things, and that's how you'll be able to transform from MetaMask to Bybit. Hope you guys find this video helpful.